How to see recently deleted text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. From the Messages page, tap on the Filters option located at the top left corner of the screen. This takes you to the Folders view, which helps organize your chats. Here, locate and tap on the Recently Deleted folder at the bottom of the page to find messages that you have recently removed. In this section, you'll find a list of all conversations deleted within the last 30 days. You can also see the number of days remaining before each one is permanently erased. From this screen, you can select conversations to either recover or delete them permanently. Following these steps, you can easily see recently deleted text messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.